Stay cool and comfortable with this portable air conditioner featuring 8,500 BTU cooling power for rooms up to 450 square feet. This 3-in-1 unit works as an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier, with sleep mode, quiet operation, remote control, and easy installation for convenient everyday use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 8500 BTU Fast Cooling. Delivers 8500 BTU cooling with dual turbo airflow, cooling rooms up to 450 square feet in 8 to 15 minutes, with adjustable temperature range from 61 to 104 degrees. Number 2. 3-in-1 multifunction modes. Works as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, offering flexible comfort with cooling, moisture removal, and air circulation for year-round use. Number 3. Quiet operation and sleep mode. Operates at below 52 decibels with sleep mode that auto-adjusts temperature and fan speed, plus a 0.5 to 24-hour timer for energy-saving performance. Number 4. Easy mobility design. Features 360-degree swivel wheels and side handles, allowing effortless movement between rooms while its compact structure fits bedrooms, apartments, and offices. Number 5. Simple installation setup. Includes a 1.5-meter exhaust hose and adjustable window kit, compatible with vertical and horizontal windows for quick, tool-free installation and convenient use anywhere. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.